my channel. So today I am going to be just doing a video showing the time lapse of my hair reverting back to its natural state and see if I have any heat damage or anything like that. So in my previous video I showed how I stretched my hair, blow drying it out, blow drying it straight, smoothing it out for braids, and I had my hair like that for about a week and a half maybe. So this is the result of that, but I wet my hair a few times to get it pulled up, just because after I styled it that way, I took the braids out, I did a couple other styles, and this is what we ended up with. So if you want to see if I have heat damage, and I think this would be valuable for people if they try a method, yeah, just keep watching. So I'm just going to take my tie off. So my hair is already like really tight and it's not detangled or anything. It's super tight and afro-y. So I don't think I'm going to have heat damage because it looks like this and it's in its stretched state but shrunken because I wet it numerous times. So I really don't think that it's going to be damaged. But like I said, we're just going to see, and I'm just going to speed up the time lapse of my hair reverting. So I have a new water bottle, the one with the automatic sprayer. I feel so official now. And I got this from Sally's Beauty. I'll put the link below. And this has warm water. I put this water in the microwave for about 45 seconds. So yeah. So I'm just going to section my hair off and go from there. It's really, really shrunken. So I really don't want to cause any extra damage to my hair. As I, wet my hair and watch it revert back, I'm going to be adding some herbal essences, hollow hydrations, conditioner, and this is olive oil. So I'm going to be adding these two to my hair just to give it like a little bit of a pre-pull, whatever. And like I said, this is warm water. So right here, I'm just showing you what my hair is looking like once the water hits it. My hair typically doesn't have a defined pattern before I add any products. You can see its texture, but I'm just showing the emphasis on the fact that there is no heat damage right here. And how I can tell just before I put the product in was the fact that my ends, the very ends of my hair, there was no limp or straight sticking out pieces. Even at the parts where I need a trim or whatever, there was nothing showing signs of like any limp, damaged hair. So if you do this process after straightening or blow drying, that's how you can tell, even if you don't have like this really defined pattern, like how mine is in the front. So I'm just giving a close-up again of that process. So I'm being sure to add the oil to my actual ends and my scalp, so just so I can make sure that I'm emphasizing the moisture, because like I said, my hair's been blow dried for about a week and a half and it's really dry. So yeah, and I'm just again showing, even at the parts where my hair starts to show a little bit of texture once the product is there, there are no straight like flicked pieces. It doesn't look like there's something wrong, because even if you don't have a pattern and my hair stays straight, at the very, very end there would be some type of straight piece showing that something's wrong with it. Okay, so towards the back here, this is where my hair gets more tightly coiled, so you'll be able to see the definition coming through way better back here. As you can see, even just with the oil and water, you can see my hair starting to revert back. And then as I add the conditioner in, it's showing more and more the process of it just reverting, and you can literally see it changing before your eyes while I'm just using my hands to detangle and comb through those pieces. And I'm just curling a little bit of them just so I can just emphasize, you know, the definition just for the video. And just one more time, this is my last section, so I'm just showing more of the process of me adding the oil and then going in with the conditioner, just so I can, you know, get some help with detangling and providing moisture into my hair. And as you can see, in all parts of my hair, like, there is no heat damage at all, no parts that look more or less limp. All my curls are, you know, safely intact. Nothing looks you know, damaged at the ends or within the pattern itself. So I'm giving excessive close-ups of all of this stuff. So hopefully this was helpful to people. Yes, look at that. Look at the juicy woosy. Ooh, ooh, that shit look good. That's looking all nice and together. Look at them. Look at them girls. Look. Okay, so I'm finished detangling my hair and putting the conditioner and oil in it. Again, I have conditioner and olive oil in my hair and water. Nothing else. I didn't put any gel or nothing in it. These are my natural curls, and as you can see, I'm going to put an old clip that took place before I actually blew dry my hair out of my hair in its raw natural state. So you can see that nothing has changed. Actually, my curls actually look a little bit more defined. I think it's just because of the actual conditioner in it. But yeah, like, there are no straight pieces, no dead pieces. My front is looser than the sides and the back, so my curls are more relaxed in the front. I have, like, not relaxed, they're more looser in the front, but that's because I have like 3A, maybe 3B hair in the front, and then, I mean 3A, 3B, what am I talking about? 4A, 3C hair in the front, and then all around my back and sides. As you can tell, I'm definitely a 4B. I doubt if I'm a 4C, but I could be. I don't know if you go by that typing system thing, but just for reference, my hair is a looser texture at the crown, and then all around the sides and the back it is tighter. So you can see here, I'm going to do a close-up. My hair definitely reverted back. As you can tell, no straight pieces, no damages, no relaxed. Everything is springing back the way it's supposed to. And yeah, so hopefully this was helpful for people who saw my other video. If you felt like you wanted to try that and were a little nervous Yeah, so just follow the tips that I gave and the method that I use, and hopefully it works out for you if you want to do straighter styles or more styles with stretched hair. But yeah, like I said, if you just follow directions and listen to what I said, then you'll be fine. So thank you so much for watching my video, and have a good day.